Congressman, health's a personal matter for people, but when someone becomes president of the United States, it becomes sort of a public issue. So, like every
Yeah.
year, I do an executive physical at Mayo. It's like a day and a half, and
Yep.
they do every test in the
Yep.
world. Should we start saying, if you are going to be president of the United States or vice president, you have to take this amount of tests, and they have to be disclosed? I mean, do we just say you give up that freedom when you're president? Is that something that we
Well,
need to do?
yeah, I'm familiar with that exact same test you're talking about. I don't know if the president goes through that same type of battery. You would think they probably do, but it's one of those things. I'm the president of the United States. You know what? I feel fine. Why do I need to do it? I'm sorry. To your point exactly, there's got to be a level of transparency, and the public deserves it. And I understand it's a freedom of speech. Look, I voted for the guy, and I know he was, sick or ill or whatnot, and that was my right to vote. So I mean, you're going to get into some finger pointing of is this some type of a violation or a filter of who can actually be the president of the United States. But you know what? I still think those reports ought to be clear and transparent, as should the actions of this administration over the last 4 years. And I get it. Look, the finger point that he may have already known about the cancer and it was conveniently released. You know what? It's personal. You nailed it. It's personal. It came out when it did, and it came out when it did. I wish him well, but I still want to get to this transparency of understand what the hell is going on.